I just washed my hair and I wanted to show you. This is the part that I didn't cut, and this is the part that I cut. I don't know if you can see. This month is 1 year since I cut it. Let's see if I can show you. It's out to here. That's 1 year. This is much longer, but it's almost as long as it used to be. It's getting there. So I just thought I'd show you my 1 year. Maybe I'll make a better video at some point showing you, because I just got the shower. Still pretty wet, but when it dries, it's gonna shrink, shrink, shrink. Something a lot of people take for granted is having a dryer, because dryers are really nice, but they take up a lot of electricity and they're very rare here in Vietnam. I have had one washing machine that has a dryer function, and that's been like living in luxury, but I don't always have that. And right now I hang my clothes and it takes a little bit of time to dry. In the summer it's nice, even though I hate hot weather. In the summer it's nice because the clothes dry fast, and that's one thing I'm looking forward to with the warmer weather. But obviously I love cold weather, and nothing beats the cold, except having to dry your clothes in the cold weather. That sucks. Even though I have to dry my clothes by hanging them, I actually like my setup back here because I have 2 racks and I get to spread out my clothes and let some air come through. And it's nice to have some space where I can hang. I wouldn't normally buy 2 racks for myself, but these are already here. But now I realize how nice it is to have 2 racks to really separate your clothes and not pile everything all up on 1 rack. In Korea, I used to have a small, it's like one of those really short drying racks. I would hang all my stuff on it and try and like pack it on, and it wouldn't get enough air. Sometimes, like if your clothes don't dry with enough air, and it's nice to dry them outside and not inside, because they start to smell if they don't get the right amount of breeze and air. I'm eating bang bao. This has some veggie, kind of like some noodles inside with carrots, and it's seasoned a little bit. It has some leftover paper from the bottom to separate them. I have to peel off the, the paper from the bread so I don't eat the paper. Look at that. It's so good. It has mushrooms, carrots, noodles. My landlord put some new flowers, so I have a couple more flower pots. I'm enjoying all my green in on my front patio. It's a breezy day. It's been very breezy, and yesterday was super cold. Cold for Vietnam. I brought my laptop to this laptop shop. It's having some trouble. It shuts down a lot. And bike update, my bike is doing really good. I love it. It's functioning. Unlike my other bike that was not functioning. Now that I washed my hair, when I wear my helmet and take it off, it always comes off like really funny. So I have to reshape it every time I take off my helmet. It's really a struggle wearing a helmet and having this kind of natural afro hair. Anyways, in this laptop shop, there are a lot of people working and they're very busy today. And you can see some of the workers that are sleeping, and there are also some hidden on the floor way in the back that are sleeping. It's really interesting here in Vietnam how it's so acceptable to sleep at work. Usually people have like a break and they can sleep, but it's really like really accepted, and that's kind of nice because like we need sleep. Like it shouldn't be anything you have to hide. If you guys need your laptop fixed, you can come here. Right now they're really busy. Even though this laptop shop is called 24 Hour, it's actually not 24 hours, and also don't expect like amazing customer service. A lot of places here are not like, hey, let's help you, how can we help you? It's more just like, we can do it, we can't, get it done, yes, no, da da da, very short answers, and not anything like, you know, going out of your way to show customer service. So just keep that in mind. The man is cleaning the rooster, preparing it for a chicken fight or a rooster fight. Something. Are you cleaning out his ears? Yeah. This is a camera repair shop. He works out of his home. I'll put his information in the description box if anyone needs a camera lens fixed or anything wrong with their camera. The address is right across from this address, but it's number 22. So I'm editing the video and I don't get frustrated often, but I'm a bit frustrated because I've been searching and searching, and if you're wondering why my voice sounds like this, yes, I got worse. I'm getting sick, or am sick, or in the presence of a cold. But anyway, not the point. I cannot find this footage because I went to a restaurant this day and ate this burger that was really bland, and I wanted to show you the restaurant because it was cute, but the food was very bland. The only thing that was good was the tea, and I'm very honest with when I say that something's good, I'll tell you, and if something's just okay or not good at all and I wouldn't recommend it, I will tell you. And this is one of those situations, and I cannot find the footage anywhere. I only found one clip of the food. I don't know the name of the place, but if I find the footage, I remember exactly, I remember filming it. Maybe it didn't film, maybe it didn't record. I was having camera problems that day, but if I find it, I'm gonna throw it in one of my videos because I do find occasionally restaurants that are just whatever, and I will tell you, and I want you to know so you don't go there. Anyway, back to the video. My hair is so fluffy. I'm telling you guys, the helmet really does it. I'm in front of this coffee shop. It's a flower coffee shop. Yeah, I can read it. Hua is a flower, 10, 10, and the is like a clock or time. Yeah. Love the floor. I got some type of cinnamon tea. It actually has real cinnamon inside of it. I'm trying to drink hot drinks today because I have a sore throat. I haven't been sick in, I'd say, almost 5 months, which is a good thing because last year I was getting sick like every 2 months, and I can't stop playing with my hair because I have major helmet head right now, and it's not getting better even though I'm playing with it. There we go. Cheers. Oh, that's good.
Can't you see I'm calling? Got you, should be warning.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. I want to give a special shout out to my patrons. Thank you guys so much. And if you would like to become a patron on Patreon, be sure to check the link in the description box. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.